Zoom! Bloody hell, they're fast!
I understood not what you said, but how I understood. So you just play it back. Yeah, that's it.
Jesus! Bloody hell, they're fast! Whoa! Zoom!
From the depths of the ocean to haunt people's minds.
Just a touch. Yeah. Tiny roll off. Dust Studio. Just setting up to record Gaz for our thing we're going to do when we hit Dubai.
Yeah. The people in Dubai don't like the Flintstones.
They don't like the Flintstones?
No, but the people in Abu Dhabi do.
Oh.
That's been cut from that video.
Look at them, hey? They're cute. Getting their little nails sorted out. We're going to go out and get a little drunk in a bit because we've worked very hard today, but we've still got a lot of work to do. A lot of hard work left to do. Therefore, Brandon's not stopping.
He's ploughing on through.
He's eating. Whereas we're all getting logged up like that.
He's a little super trooper. There he is, tucked away in his little van. Look.
There he is. Grooving away.
Yeah, grooving away. There he is.
Ah, legendary.
Yeah.
How you?
Cheers. Sludge bar. What the idea of the fucking Jaeger? I don't know. I think he's been clucking for a few days now, so he wants to get out of the house and go party. So decided me and him are going to go and party in a field. Just me and him.
Nicking.
You did say you were going to do a butt chug.
I did not.
Yes, you did.
Sam Kinch and I, at one time or another, will perform an arse chug.
You used to drink fucking rosé all the time.
Big drink for Christmas. This isn't all mine.
Yeah, it is.
But the one redeeming factor about it is you can pour a big glass of it and people think it's red wine, so it's my particular favourite drink to have with sauerkraut. This is I think this is pronounced Spitzbuble. Spitzbuble. I put it in manual focusing. Picture of a boy holding a nice cabbage. Huge cabbage. Next time you come to Germany, try a can of Spitzbuble. With a good old glass of Jägermeister. The Christmas choice. Cheers.